Hi my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Toya. Welcome. I have not done a story time video for you guys in such a long time. Before I get into this story time, I know you guys are gonna ask about my hair and all that stuff, but all details on everything will be in the description bar below. I'm having a very ethnic kind of day, as you can see. My shirt is by Crush by SS. So she has two businesses. She has this, y'all can't see it, it has Africa on it. So I'll be taking IG pictures so y'all know when I have to head over to the Instagram, you know, to check out those pics to see the shirt in its true state. But I love this shirt. It is so comfy. Like, honestly, I never think I saw it that got breathable. Like, I love it. So check out the other business. I'm gonna have the name right here, and the direct link will be in the description bar below. She also does I guess you can say custom statement necklaces and stuff. Yes, so check her out. Also, I want to shout out my girl Shadz. She has a YouTube channel, guys. Finally, me just feel like some people for have a channel, like need for have a channel. So she has a channel. It's called TheHeartSpeaks, right? It literally is what it's called, TheHeartSpeaks. So it's just basically heart to hearts, deep conversations. She is a guidance counselor by profession, so you know, deep videos, you know, feelings and just realistic stuff that I feel like a lot of times we check out of just because we're not really in tune with the emotional side. So you know, she evokes these things, and I am so proud of her. I'm glad she finally have a channel. So the link to her channel is going to be in the description bar below. I want you guys to head on over, check her out, and tell her that Toya sent you. All right, comment on all the videos, thumbs up all the videos, and tell my girl that I sent you. Oh, last time, guys, I know somebody got asked about my earring them. These are new. These are by Natural Glam Things, which is my new baby. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna put the link in the description so you guys can check that out. That business is basically going to be all these statement type jewelry that I would wear. So stuff that I wear that I think you guys like, I'll just have them available for sale. And you know, it's an Instagram store, so I don't know if I'm going to make a website eventually. It just depends on how well the business does, but I saw these and I had to cop them, guys. Like, are you dumb? Look, these are right up my alley. Like, I had to. So all right, that's all the chiming for today. So I'm on my way to school, or I should have been leaving for school right now, but then the lady pushed back class. So I thought, why the hell not make this video. My brother there on this wait for me for done because him say him now come out. So yeah, him itch up around this. So yes, that is a person sitting right there. Yeah, okay, so mega jump right into the story time. Yeah, to be honest, this is something that I should have been made like a long time ago, and I really thought about it for a long time, and I was like, yeah, like just like how I came out, and after my incident, if y'all don't know what the incident is, I got kidnapped, and I had made a video on that, and it went viral. So I'm going to, if you don't know and you want to see that video, it will be linked, and it will be linked down in the description bar too, so you can just check that out just to catch up, and then you can come back. All right, so it was shortly after, I would say shortly after, once I was ready to go out and about again, you know, me did start take swimming lessons. So after my incident, I had a lot of time to sit and think and reflect on stuff that I wanted to do. When you realize you're almost dead, and you never, you know, you're like, okay, if it had happened, would I have been able to say I lived my truth, or I did what I wanted to do with my life? And I thought about that a lot while I was recovering. So when I did recover, I did have a lot of time to think about a lot of things, and it was from that point on I decided anything that I want to do, I'm going to do. And I love volunteering. I've always loved volunteering. I've always loved being involved, so I wanted to volunteer. I started looking at homes, like children's homes, because I feel like if you're going to help those who are most vulnerable and need your help. You can't help people who can't already help themselves. That's not real volunteer work, right? So I always like working with younger people. So I started looking up children's homes near me, and I made some calls and, found out where what was. But there's this one home that I always heard of, and it was a girl's home. So I was like, I could start there. So one day I had swimming. Now, time has been something, guys, from ever since. Doing what I do, I don't have time like that, like free time. My book out all of my time. So everything that I do is very calculated. Everything that I do is premeditated. My have moved away there, right? So I, called around. Nobody don't know where this place there. Them know which part there, but they don't know the exact location. So I was like, I feel like I don't want to, and I feel like I want to go to this home. Not gonna be saying the home's name to protect whoever run it or whatever. But it's near where I live. So I had swimming that day. I remember it was a Wednesday, because I usually have swimming on Wednesdays. So me left swimming while I was at the pool. Like, I kept talking about, I was saying it to the coach, like, yo, do you know where this home is? I need to find this place, blah 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 blah. And he was like, you need to try up there. So he called somebody and they told him, where. So he gave me the directions, and I was like, okay, cool. I'm leaving swimming early because I need to go and find this home so I can find out how I can help. Hello. I drive up and down, get lost. Every minute I'm stopping for directions and everything to ask people, hey, do you know where this place is? Da 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 da. You're like, yeah man, go up the road, turn this. So Jamaican people get directions already. Anyways, I finally found this place and I was so excited, but I was like nervous. Come and say, oh God, look at me going into the people them place and me not really sure exactly how me I gonna say, okay, I want to help or whatever. But I just figured it shouldn't be that hard. So I'm gonna take up myself now, reach at a place, park. It's up on like a hill, so you have to do a little bit of walking for go up at the home itself. So when I got there, obviously I'm thinking, okay, what a place. So there was I think it was a church. It's not, if it's not a church, it's like a school up on the flat. So I asked somebody that was there, like, you know where this place is, so and so and so. And he's like, yeah man, it's right up there. So just walk through the gate, go up, whatever. I was like, okay, cool. So I come out of the car, park the car, go up at the place, and as soon as I started walking up the steps, I realized there were persons sitting, because it's like a house. So there were persons sitting on the veranda of the place. So I realized it was about 3 or 4 of them outside on the veranda. Bigger man them, probably like my age group and older than me. So I started walking up the steps, and as I'm able to see what is in front of me, I realize, I can say, okay, some woman them on the veranda. One of them was getting her hair done. And people kind of tend to assume their positions without even knowing it. So right and then when I see her, I know say she in charge. I don't know, it's just a thing. When you learn to read people, it shows on their face expressions and everything. And as me I walk up the step, I realize that the lady has sized me up. Like, she lit, I kid you not. I'm coming up the step, this is she. When I finally reach the top step, this is she. The woman looked me up and down about 3 times. After I said, good afternoon. Cause me full of manners bad. After I said good afternoon, and not all of them answered me, but they were all eyeing me, especially she. Now at the time, my ear did look. I probably did have my locks them or something, but I know I never have on makeup because I just come from swimming. My ear probably look weird or some crap. I don't know. You understand? But the lady eyeballed me. And I swear to God, if she do that, I know what it got. So she eyeballed me, and I was like, hi, good afternoon. I don't know who's in charge. I need to speak to somebody in charge about rendering voluntary service. She was like, voluntary service, like voluntary service. And I was like, yeah, I have some free time on my hands, and I'd like to help, just help some young girls out with whatever you need me for. I gave her my card. I explained what I do, because I don't even know why I didn't need to convince her or say whatever. But I mean, I'm just like, okay, maybe I need to show them, say, describe the kind of person that you are, so that we know whether or not it's a good idea for you to be any kind of influence, right? So me you know, I give her my card, and she's like, oh, you're a makeup artist, you're a hairstylist, okay, cool, whatever. And all this lady said was, "Me we call you." And I'm like, yeah, we call me. I felt like it was a kind of situation where right there and then you should be able to tell me whether or not I would be able to help you, right? And me say, that boy, man. I may say, should we call me? I want to tell you, say, from that day there, I not hear nothing back from the place. I want him back commercial break. I tell you, this nigga, yo, I don't hear back from the lady from that day. I have not heard from her. I have not gotten a call. I have not seen her. Nothing of the sort. And that was from, let's say my incident was in July. That's about September, October. Before I start. Lies! Yes, because it was before I started DeMarie, and I started DeMarie in November. So that was about October. Right? And I have not heard jack-ish from this lady until then. But believe me, I did already feel it a come from she gave me the look. She gave me one look. And from she gave me that look there, the woman literally, I felt her. I could have literally, even without looking at her, I'm pretty sure I could have feel the woman a look for me. And it's literally, she looked at me and judged me so freaking hard without even knowing who I am. You understand what I'm saying? And I feel some type of way about that. Why? Because there are people like these sitting in places where they have a little bit of control over the influence that others receive. And I don't appreciate the fact that you in a position like that, you know how much people blessing you just block a while ago? You have no clue. People need to stop being selfish, B. This is not about you. This is not about you. If I come there really and truly, I'm not come there to be your best friend. I'm not there for you. So other than feeling offended, I really feel sad. Because people just need to stop looking at people and judge them. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me from anywhere. And I was having this discussion with Miss Dawn from DeMarie. Because, you know, when you're in class and little discussions come up and such. And, you know, I was like, yo, Miss Dawn, you know, I want to do some volunteer work. Da-da-da-da-da. She's like, Latoya, let me tell you something. My camera shake, guys. I try to steady it. She said, Latoya, let me tell you something. Don't you ever let this stop you. She's one person and that's one home. Try again. Because that's people for you. And that's no joke. And I'm telling you this already. When I did make the kidnapping video, I tell you this. You see, people, me can tell you about people. You hear? And whatever you are doing, them that you saw, you not forgot, you jump right over them. That's the only way to get things done. Especially in places like, separate and apart from this incident that happened to me, in places like banks, administrative buildings and stuff where you would need like a paperwork for start. Yo, you have to learn how to literally jump right over people. Because people and their personal perceptions of you will wall down every little blessing you're supposed to get if you follow them. And I want this to be a lesson to anybody who wants to do anything. And there's going to be a bomb video dropping after this one because I had to make this story time. There's going to be a bomb video dropping after this one with me giving you guys, my camera shake, man, the friggin' car. With me giving you guys the ultimate female guide. And of course, by this time this goes up, I would have probably already edited that video, so I'm going to link it up top if you're watching this after. But trust me, I said the woman rubbed me the wrong way, the woman rubbed me the wrong way. And I'm just like, how can people be like this? B, you don't know me. You don't know me. I forgot put stabilization on this. But you don't know me. And you judge me just like that. I want us to stop doing that as females especially, because people, men are not so quick to judge, but females, them just want to see a girl look better than them. I'm gonna say it exactly how it is. Them just want to see a girl look better than them for the start feel like, oh, I'm gonna give her a hard time. And that's so 1990. I don't even know that old. Who does that? I literally walk around giving people compliments every day. If you look good, you look good. You look good. Girl, those shoes. Yo, your makeup is fire every day. Anybody will know me knows say summer stay. And I will never gas you. If I say it, I mean that shit. That's me. But I just wanted to share this short story time with you guys. My brother want to go about in business. I'm in love with this color, guys. I truly don't even know. Like, this color is like so bomb. I'm gonna bother him for take 2 pictures. I mean, I might get pants up. I'm gonna get pants up him theirs, but I'm not care. I'm gonna bother him for take 2 pictures for me. But yeah, guys, don't forget to head on over to my Instagram. I just had to share the story with you guys because trust me, I really felt that one, and it made me feel some type of way. Not because of her, but because I know she literally blocked so many people's blessings. You don't know me coming there. You don't know what kind of knowledge I can impart. You don't know how much I can encourage somebody to make a change in their life. You don't know what kind of influence I would have had on them. As a young woman, we go through certain things and learn certain things about life. Because I'm gonna tell you something about some of these young girls. Them literally not have nobody to look up to, you know. A lot of them that make some silly mistakes, they have no one to look up to, and they don't have anybody to give them the guidebook, which is why I'm going to be making that other video that I'm making, because there's a lot that I need to say. I can't have my girls out here doing some stupid shit, and you know, like, dead ass. As women also, we need to look out for each other. Not everything is a competition. Not everything is a competition. Really and truly, me come there. If me never need to see you, me not see you. But what? I had to go through you. And you literally just whoosh. From me get the look, me didn't know what come. And if I'm me for wait for her for call me, the call not gonna come. So I will be looking into another home because that is something that I want to do. And I don't want to procrastinate about it. I want to volunteer. It's something that I wanted to do for so freaking long, I swear. So you guys will know when I do start doing what I want. But I'm taking a lot of things off my list this year. I'm gonna ramp with the road. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's the story time. Please, I don't know, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for I want you guys to share this also. I want you guys to share this because I want us to stop making the same mistakes as females. I want us to stop judging each other. I want us to understand that unity and strength is everything. It's not a competition. We're all out here facing the same problem, sis. You don't need to take me on and make me a problem to you. Together, that's the only way we can achieve anything, because the division, that only causes problems. But anyways, I just want you guys to take something from this video today. Take whatever you wish. Take the good stuff, you know, apply it to your own life. That's all I really want. I feel like I'm on this level of woke that I have never ever been, and this year has been a very rough one, but it's also been a very good one for me on a personal level. I have come to accept me and love me in a way where I swear to God it took me so long to get here. My mental at this point, I don't want nobody it get harder and harder for people penetrate up so, right? And that's the level where I want all females to reach. I want us to understand we have a power that I don't even know if to describe it, but you can only access the power once you acknowledge that it's there. So yeah, enough preaching. I'm gonna save all the preaching for the other video. I love you guys so much. The love and support gonna show me sometimes it's just so unreal. My day ones who have been riding with me from, I never know, like I book up an old video of me the other day and I'm like, oh, that girl here, oh, she I swear I didn't even recognize myself. But thanks guys so much for your loyalty. Thanks for sticking around. If you're new, guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I would really appreciate it. Gang, remember, we're on our way to 100K. Till today, in the comments, I want you guys to drop me hashtag love in my heart. I'm going to put it right so, right here. I want you guys to hashtag it and write it once you get to the end of the video. All right? Love in my heart. loving in my heart, because that's all I have right out here in these streets. Love, nothing else. I have no time to walk around and hate. I have no time to walk up and down and judge people, especially if I'm seeing you and I don't know you. Remember, I'm gonna know you. You see somebody, you don't know them, you don't really know them, you just see them, right? Let's stop judging each other incorrectly without knowing each other. And that's just the message that I want you guys to get from this video. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Until next time, babes, stay naturally beautiful. Mwah.